have to calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity at point B. Clear? So what is the value of g, acceleration due to gravity at point A? The value of acceleration due to gravity at point A is gm upon r square, where g is gravitational constant, m is the mass of earth and r is the radius of the earth. Clear? Now we have to put the value of m in this equation. So what is the relation between mass and volume? Mass per unit volume is the density of the earth. Mass per unit volume is the density of the earth. And earth is like a sphere. So what is the volume of sphere? We can easily calculate mass by multiplying volume with the density. So let us consider earth is a sphere, spherical shape. So what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and density is denoted by rho. So what is mass? 4 upon 3 pi r cube rho. Clear? We have to put the value of mass in above equation, in equation 1. So what we get? G into 4 upon 3 pi r cube rho divided by r square. Clear? So on solving this, what we get? R square is getting out cancelled with this r. 4 upon 3 g pi r rho. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth at point A. What we have to calculate? We have to check, or we have to calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity at point B. We have to check whether the value of g, acceleration due to gravity, changes or it remains the same. And if it changes, what is the change? Is it increase in the value of g or it will decrease in the value of g? Clear? So now we have to calculate value of g at point B. So it is g m upon r. So what is the value of radius here? It is r minus d whole square, because the value of distance at point B, the value of distance between the center of earth and the point B is, OB is, what is the value of OB? OB is r minus d. Clear? So again we can put the value of m here. So what is the value of m become? For this, m is 4 upon 3 volume, r is r minus d cube into density. Clear? Now g into 4 upon 3 pi r minus d whole cube into rho and divide by r minus d whole square. R minus d whole square. So we can cancel out this with this. So what we get? We get 4 upon 3 g pi r minus d into rho. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity at point B. Clear? Now we have to calculate the relation between GA and GB, so that we can conclude is the value of GA is greater than GB or it is smaller than GB, or the value is same. Clear? So let us take the ratio of GB with GA. So what is the value of GB? 4 upon 3 pi g r minus d and density. We can check 4 upon 3 g pi r minus d into rho and reciprocate the value of GA. It will become 3 upon 4 pi g r and rho. So these value will get cancelled out So these value will get cancel out. 3 is cancelled with 3. 4, pi, g, constant values. So what will remain? Density will cancel out with density. R minus g by r. This will remain. GB by GA. Clear? If I separate the denominator, it will come out to be 1 minus d by r. 1 minus d by r. GB upon GA. So what is the value of GB? It is GA multiplied by 1 minus d by r. Clear? So the value of GB is somehow less than the value of GA, because GA में से सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है ना ये, अगर मैं इस ब्रैकेट को ऑफ करूं तो GA minus GA d by r. So this value is less than the value of GA. So the value of G at surface is greater than the value of G at B. So again what we have calculated? We have calculated that acceleration due to gravity decreases. Acceleration due to gravity decreases as we move in depth to the surface of earth. Clear? I hope these two factors are clear to you. Now move to last factor, shape. Last factor is shape. So shape of earth is not perfectly spherical. Clear? Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is flattened at the poles and bulging out at the equators. Equators पे कैसी है? Equators पे bulge है और poles पे कैसी है? Flattened है. So because it is flattened at the poles, so radius of pole is less than the radius of equator. Equator पे ज़्यादा radius होगी क्योंकि poles पे तो flatten है. So and we know that G is equal to Gm upon r square. So G and m are constant, gravitational constant and mass both are constant. Mass is a scalar quantity and G is already a constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Now the G is inversely related to the radius of the earth, and if G is inversely related to the radius of earth, so G is not similar in equator as well as its pole. So what we have calculated from this relation, we calculated that the radius, the value of G at equator is less than the value of G at poles, because G is inversely, जिसकी रेडियस ज़्यादा है वहाँ पर G की वैल्यू क्या होगी? कम. सो G की वैल्यू कहाँ, रेडियस कहाँ ज़्यादा है? इक्वेटर्स पे. तो G की वैल्यू कहाँ कम होगी? इक्वेटर्स पे. जिसकी रेडियस ज़्यादा है वहाँ पर क्या है? क्योंकि इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड है ना, तो रेडियस ज़्यादा हो गई तो G की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? डिक्रीज. क्लियर? सो वैल्यू ऑफ G इज मिनिमम एट द इक्वेटर. मिनिमम एट इक्वेटर and maximum at pole. Maximum at poles. Poles पे क्या होगी? Maximum होगी. Clear? Thank you student.